Hello and welcome. Meditation is not about perfection. It is a tool to help you reconnect with yourself. It's deeply personal, and there is no right way to do it. Whatever feels right to you is right for you. Whether it is sitting still, observing your breath, or just being present, let this practice be yours. So take a moment to arrive. This is your time to slow down, breathe, and simply be. Sit comfortably. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or on the floor with your legs crossed. Keep your spine straight but not stiff. Let your hands rest gently on your lap or knees. If it feels okay, gently close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that one more time. Breathe in deeply. Feel your lungs expand. And now breathe out, releasing all tension. Now bring your full attention to your breath. Notice how the air feels as it enters your nose, cool and light, and how it feels as it leaves, warm and gentle. You don't need to control your breath. Just observe it and feel the rhythm, the rise and the fall, the movement of life. And if your mind begins to wander, it is okay. Just gently bring it back to the breath, again and again. Now we will scan the body gently, bringing awareness to different parts without any judgment. Start with your feet and feel the ground beneath them. Now your legs. Notice any sensations, warmth, pressure, or tingling. Bring awareness to your stomach and chest. Are you holding any tension there? With your next breath, allow those muscles to soften. Now bring your focus to your shoulders. Let them drop and relax. Feel your neck, your jaw, and let them loosen. Even your eyelids and forehead, let them be soft. You don't have to fix anything. Just notice and allow. Now, gently shift your attention to your thoughts. Imagine your thoughts and worries as balloons floating in the sky. You don't need to chase them, just watch them pass. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness that notices them. Some thoughts may feel strong, some may feel random. Let them come and let them go. And each time, return to the breath. Now, let us rest in this quiet space. Breathe naturally. Be here. Nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just this moment and this breath. Let us now repeat a few gentle affirmations. You may say them silently in your mind or out loud if you feel comfortable. I am safe. I am grounded. I am present. My breath anchors me in peace. I allow myself to let go of what I cannot control. I am learning to trust myself one breath at a time. I am exactly where I need to be in this moment. You can take time to think about these thoughts while focusing on your gentle breathing. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let these words settle into your heart. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your hands, your feet. Gently move your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you and take a deep breath in and out. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Notice how you feel. Perhaps a little lighter, a little calmer. Even if just a little, that is enough. Thank you for taking these moments for yourself. With regular practice, this calm and clarity will deepen. And remember, meditation is not about stopping thoughts. It is about returning again and again to the present. You did beautifully. See you next time.